Now those are obviously runs. We're gonna try and sand them out. Like I said, I'm on 600 right here. Doesn't seem to be pitting the paper, so we're definitely good to go. This is definitely gonna work out to be a longer job than I expected, but yeah, it is what it is, really. Kind of just do it by the hour and visualize success. So we got racing stripes here. I see not too many imperfections here. We got a couple dents in the window and whatnot, but it's just, you got to fix them, right? Looks shiny from here, looks good. Can't really see the orange peel, so we will be doing a little bit more later. Right, you can just see that peel after I start to cut it. It's definitely going to take a lot more than I expected. It's definitely not pitting the paper, so this is actually a cured paint job. I'm under the impression it's about a month old. It's definitely not laying out as nice as I would like, but it kind of just is. Yeah, you can just see that peel. So yeah, I'll be back in a couple hours and I'll let you know how I'm at. Thank you.